I've been waiting and anticipating till you even know what I really wanna do to you. Contemplating and relating, bodies associated. Ooh, falling and falling slow, 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 falling and falling slow.
Right here, I'm just showing you how I went about heating up my honey. I did cut the stove off during this process. Okay, so yeah, I was doing the most, all happy and just skinning and grinning, and I didn't even have the speaker or whatever cut up so you can hear me talking. So this whole entire video, more than likely, yeah, it's about to be a voiceover. So right here, I'm just showing you how I have my honey already in a bowl, and right now I'm gonna add some of this herbal oil to it. Some people also add a little bit of conditioner to theirs, but I'm not gonna do that. I am just gonna add the oil and the honey and mix it all up really well. And also just let you know, my hair is already washed. I just washed my hair and it's not really dry, it's still damp. I just dried it off with a cotton t-shirt, and now I am about to apply the honey to my hair. I chose the honey because it's good for attracting moisture and keeping your hair moisturized as well. Also, it's inexpensive, and I like just trying new things on my hair as far as using it as a deep conditioner. The honey didn't make my curls pop as much as other deep conditioners usually do. However, I did feel the honey actually penetrating my hair. My hair was getting even more moisturized as I kept applying it. I used 1 cup of honey, and that was enough to do all of my hair. And I actually had some left over, but the rest that I had left, I'm just going to put it across the top of my hair now that I'm done with all my sections. So I'm getting ready to put this conditioning cap on, and I'm going to let it set for 40 minutes. And after that, I'm going to wash it out and come back and show you my end results. Okay, so I let my hair set for 35 minutes. Some of it ended up down there. So I gotta be careful taking it off. I don't know, it's way over, but my hair's stripping. My hair's stripping. Okay. So I'm about to unravel these and go take it, wash it out. Ooh. My hair feels so soft. My hair is so soft. I haven't matched that too. Okay, I'm about to go wash this out. Okay, so I washed everything out, and I love it. My hair is so fluffy. My curls aren't as defined as I thought they would be, but that's okay because my hair is so moisturized, and I appreciate that. My hair is so moisturized. So that's it. I'm gonna just, I don't know what I'm about to do with my hair. I'm gonna just let it go. Maybe. But anyways, as always, thanks for coming by. Glad y'all stopped by. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see y'all again soon.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. And Madonna bottom every man, I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gym.